Your skin and your makeup game is about to change forever. And let me start with the fact that it is okay for women to shave their face. Are you going to get more thicker and darker hair? Going to make your skin look glowy? Is your makeup gonna glide? If you're someone's life revolves around the skincare, then this video is for you and your skin is about to change because this is a step-by-step guide on how to shave your face at home for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Hate and I make videos on makeup, fashion and lifestyle, and today I am here with another video. This is a step-by-step guide on how to shave your face at home for beginners. वैसे मैं कुछ pro नहीं हूँ. I am also doing it in a very basic manner. Okay, so the first thing we need is razors. I am using this Tinkle razors. I know these are very sharp and many videos I have seen that we are not supposed to use it, but my logic behind using this razor is that because of the sharp blade of this razor, I am required to just make a single glide on my skin and not having multiple glides, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि multiple glides की वजह से it can irritate my skin. So these works the best for me. You can try your multiple razors and you can make out for yourself कि आपको कौन सा बेस्ट लगता है. If you are a beginner, then yes, please use the razors which are available on Nykaa. I will put a picture here. Those razors are a little less sharp. कट्स होने के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं उसमें. And let me start with the fact that it is okay for women to shave their face. Of course, these are very fine hair and we have hair, we want to shave it just like our face clean. That's it. इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. My mom still मुझे हमेशा वो टोकते रहते हैं that do not use this razors on your face, ये तुम्हारा स्किन खराब कर देगा. But I am shaving my face from past 2 years, like more than 2 years, and I'll tell you how it is working best for my skin. So the first thing that we are gonna do is we're gonna clean the blade with Dettol, and this is what the blade looks like. It is very important to start with a clean blade and let it dry for a few seconds. Next is cleanser. Start with a clean face. I have already cleaned my face and I used this cleanser from Foxtail. This is super hydrating and keeps my skin very soft. Also, it is very important कि हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा clean हो हमारे, because we are using blade. So I don't want कि कोई भी type of infection या फिर next day मेरे face पे pimples आ जाए. And with that we need to use some kind of product that helps the blade to glide on our skin. So I am using this moisturizer from Pond's. You can actually use any kind of facial oil, moisturizer or any aloe vera gel, because the purpose here is just to prep your skin and make sure that the blade is gliding super easily on the skin and we do not get any cuts. I like to do half part of my face first, rest of the half later. This way I find it very easy because it helps me to control the portion on my face. I like to do this routine every month and I feel that my skin gets super soft after doing this. And yes, you will need a lot of tissues. I mean, I use a lot of tissues. I don't let my finger touch my skin. So what I do is, it's really funny. What I do is I make this kind of pad with the tissue so that I'm holding my skin with this, and the razor is there on the other hand. And I like to do this routine at night because with that मैं एक hydrating mask अपने face पे लगाकर सो सकती हूँ the whole night, and the other day my skin is glowing. But yeah, for the video I'm doing it in day. Now that I have applied this moisturizer, you can see the amount of hair that has grown now. Let's clean this. I like to first go with the forehead because it is the most straight skin on our face. I do not go nearby my eyebrows. Stretch your skin as much as possible. Not more than 3 strokes on a single section. Here comes the real part. And if you have any pimple, skip those areas. These are just redness. This is not pimples, it is my normal skin. Here we have the gunk. Moving forward, also make sure that you are keeping the blade at 45-degree angle and pulling the skin up, gliding the a blade with very small strokes. Voila. What I do is first my forehead, then this part of my skin, then it helps me to keep the tissue here and then go with the rest of the section. Very easy. Nice. एंड मैं हमेशा लिप्स के अराउंड की स्किन को सबसे लास्ट में शेव करना प्रेफर करती हूँ बिकॉज वो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. फर्स्ट द फोरहेड, देन द चीक एरिया एंड द लिप्स. Let's move forward to the other side. If you are trying this for the first time and if you are under 18, please do not do it. The chin area is also very tricky, but you get hands on it all the time. Let's do it. So I was telling that my mom keeps on yelling me all the time that I'm not supposed to do this, but I don't know how मैं mom को ये कैसे समझाऊँ that this is so much helpful for my skin. This is not irritating my skin unless you're rubbing the razor multiple times on one single section. You are not going to get any kind of thicker hair, darker hair. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. My hair are very thin. जैसे natural hair है वैसे ही new hair भी आते हैं. But yeah, it comes faster. So I have to do this every month. I have a pimple here. I'm gonna skip this part. You are going to make funny faces while doing this, so it's okay. Now comes the main part, the lips and cheek section. The main part around the lip section. बहुत लोगों को lips पे भी razor यूज करते हुए देखा है, but I do not recommend that. I apply the thickest moisturizer in this part. Like रात को शेव करके apply a thick moisturizer and just sleep. You're going to get up with the most baby soft skin. A new tissue because वो खराब हो गया था. It's very funny and difficult. I don't think there is any aesthetic way to do this. I have to make faces. This is the most tricky area. बहुत हाई चांसेस होते हैं इस एरिया में कट्स आने के, ट्रस्ट मी. I pull my nose from here and the lips. You can already see the difference, like how clean the skin looks. And yeah, I think we're done. I just wash my face and come back. And I'm back. After shaving my face and washing it, I do not like to use a towel. I'll use tissues. My skin is super sensitive. You can see I have got redness here. इसलिए मैं रात को ये प्रेफर करती हूँ so that I can use a thick moisturizer and मेरी स्किन रात भर में हील हो जाती है. I'm going to use this toner from Tony Moly. This is such a good toner. It gives instant hydration. This cooling effect of this toner feels so good on the skin. I'm not going to rub any product now. I'm just going to dab on my skin. Make sure that you are not using any kind of actives or makeup on your skin post shaving. I do not apply any kind of makeup for 2 days straight whenever I'm shaving. Next step is moisturizer. Going in with this 345 moisturizer by Dr. Althea. This is such a good moisturizer and it is viral for all the right reasons. I have already used this much of the tube. I'm so much into Korean skincare nowadays, so I like this one. It's gonna apply nice layer. जब पूरा फेस शेव करने के बाद यू विल गो टू वॉश योर फेस, नो एट दैट टाइम यू विल नो दैट कहाँ कहाँ पे फेस पे कट्स आए हैं. ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर माइनर कट्स. यू अप्लाई आइस, श्योर दैट यू आर शेविंग इन अ वे दैट वो कट्स ना आए. Make sure that you are using sunscreen if you are shaving in daytime, and sunscreen the next morning if you are shaving at night. Are you going to get more darker and thicker hair? No. Is your makeup gonna look flawless? Yes. And is your skincare going to get absorbed more easily? Yes. Also make sure that you are disposing this blade very safely, because anyone can get hurt easily from these blades. What I prefer is I use such kind of tapes, and with the cover of this blade I just put it back inside, seal the tape so that it is not going to open up and not going to hurt anyone while I'm putting it in this card. So this is how I dispose my razors, and we are at the end. Tell me how helpful it was for you all, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts for shaving, for post shaving, for any kind of routines, put down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.